Parik, and today we are here to start the multiple integral of the Mathematics 1. The most important chapter of the Mathematics 1. We are dealing with the different type of the integral and multiple integral like double integral and triple integral. We are also discuss about the Cartesian integration and polar coordinates. Okay, so we start from the double integral. What is a double integral over region R? Let f of xy be a continuous and single value function defined for all xy in a closed bounded region R in xy plane. If f of xy is greater than equal to 0, then volume of solid that lies over the region R and under the surface z equal to f of xy is given by the double integral of the f of xy. This is given by the function. Over closed bounded region R is defined by this case. See, in that case, see, it is your z equal to f of xy, your z formation, it is your y, it is your x. Okay, so this is your region R. Okay, so we say that if I equal to double integration R f of xy dA, where A is the area, R is a region, f of xy dx dy. Why we are taking the case? It is a dy formations and it is dx formations. So we say that double integration R, where R is a region and dy by dx is a area under the curve. Now double integral over rectangular region. Fubini theorems. If f of xy is continuous in the rectangular region, R equal to xy, where x is between a and b and y is between c and d. See, in image we see that there is a b and c d, where x between a and b, this is your x line, this is your y line. So we say that integration R f of xy dA equal to x equal to a to b, x equal to y equal to c to d, f of xy dx, or we say that f of y equal to c to d, x equal to a to b, f of xy dx dy. This theorem states that the limits of the integration are the constant, then we can calculate double integral either or dx dy or dy by dy dx. In case of double integration f of xy dx dy, x equal to a to b, y equal to c to d, g of x, h of y dy by dx, we are separating this a to b gx dx, integration c to d h of y dy. Now double integral over general region. We say that double integration of function f of xy or general region R can be evaluated by the two successive integration. So there are two different methods to evaluate the double integral. So method 1 is, let the region R is bounded by the curve y equal to y1x plus y equal to y2x and the lines x equal to a, x equal to b. See, it is y1x, it is your y2x, here x equal to a and x equal to b. Similarly, it is your x equal to a, x equal to b. This is your y1x to y2x. This is your x equal to a to b formations and this is your y1x to y2x. Integrate with respect to y, first treating x is a constant. We say that x equal to a to b as it is, y equal to y1x to y2x, f of xy dy dx. Now double integral over the general region R. Method 2. Let the region R bounded by the curve x equal to x1y, x equal to x2y and the line y equal to c and d is common. Now we say that if a parallel line y equal to c and d is fixed, then x1y and x2y is a horizontal line of the function x1y, x2y, x1y and x2y. So we say that integrate with respect to x first and y as a constant, we get integration of f of xy dx dy. We are taking a limit c and d is here and take x equal to x1y, x2y, f of xy, dx and dy. Now we are taking example. Evaluate integration 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 1 plus 3xy, 3 dx dy. Solution is, we are taking I equal to integration. Now first we are taking integration as with respect to x. So what is integration? Integration of 1 is x, 3 as it is, x is x square by 2 and y is as it is, because when we are dealing with the x integration, y is a constant. Put the value of 0 and 1 upper limit and lower limit. We get 1 plus 3 by 2y minus 0. So this is your new function for the integrate with respect to y. To with respect to y, 1 dy is y, 3 by 2 as it is, y square by 2. Put the value, upper limit minus lower limit. We are getting the answer as a 13 by 4 of this example. Okay, so it is your double integration with the given limit. Evaluate 0 to 1 x square minus y square dx. This is the integration as a form of the value of y, c2d is given and function x equal to x1 to x2. Okay, now what is your solution? We are taking a 0 to 1 integration as limit. We are taking dx, x1, x2 raised to x square minus y square dy dx. So integrate this, x square y minus y cube by 3, x square to x, your limit. So x cube minus x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 by 3 dx. So we getting 2x cube for this case. 2x cube by 3, x raised to 4 plus x raised to 6 by 3 dx. Now integrate this value, we getting the answer as 1 by 70. Okay, so here we have the two type of the formula. One is a to b, y equal to y1x and y equal to y2x. How to recognize the value limit of y is given or x is given? If here function is form of the x, then we have to assume it's a given a value of y. Similarly, if here given a function as a formation of y, then you have to assume you have to given a limit of the x as a function formation. Okay. Now, second example, we are taking 0 to 1, 0 to under root 1 plus x square dx dy, 1 plus x square plus y square. Now here, it is a limit of y. So, we are taking integration with respect to y. It is 1 plus x square tan inverse y upon 1 plus x square, because this is your x and this is your constant form. So, we say that it is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So, we are taking integration, it is a. What is our a? A is 1 upon under root x square, a 1 upon under root x square. Now putting the limit of 0 to 1, 1 plus x square tan inverse 1 minus 1 upon tan inverse 0. We get pi by 4, 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. Now integrate with respect to x. So we get log x plus under root 1 plus x square, and putting the upper limit minus lower limit, we get the answer as pi by 4 log 1 plus under root 2. Now double integral in polar coordinates. The integral theta equal to theta 1 to theta 2. It is your angle formation and r is a radius, r1 to r2. F of r theta dr d theta represent a polar form of the double integration. The integration is the first integrate with respect to r, keeping theta is a constant, then resulting expression integrate with respect to theta. Similarly, as a Cartesian coordinate, there is a reduction formula n greater than equal to 2. We say that 0 to pi by 2 sin n theta. We say that n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 2. It is your pi by 4 if n is even. It is 2 by 3 if n is odd. Example, 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 6 theta d theta. Answer is 5 by 32. How it say that there is a 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Okay, so this is your reduction formula for the n greater than equal to 2 and for the sine and cos function. Now double integral in polar coordinate, we say that reduction formula for mn greater than equal to 2. So we take k equal to pi by 2, m and n both are even. Now taking the example 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta cos 6 theta d theta. Now here we say that we are applying different type of cos and sine trigonometry. It is quite difficult. So we are applying this reduction formula to solve this m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5 into n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5. It is odd formations, it is also odd formation. And we are taking m plus n minus 2. It is in denominator, this is the even formation into k. Now put the value of m what is m? M equal to 3 and n equal to 6. We getting this formation and answer is 2 by 63. Okay, similar one more example. If m equal to 6, n equal to 8, get the value of 5 by 5. Evaluate 0 to 5 by 4, 0 to 1 r dr d theta. In that case, we are taking I. Now we are first integrate this integration with respect to r. So we getting r integration is r square by 2. Put the value of upper limit and lower limit. We getting the 1 by 2 d theta. Integration of 1 by 2 d theta is a theta. So put value of pi by 4 minus 0. We getting pi by 8 as the answer of integration. Now we are taking a 0 to pi, 0 to sine theta r dr d theta. Integrate these formations. It is r dr, so we are taking r square by 2, 0 to sine theta d theta. 0 to pi, 1 by 2 sine square theta d theta. So it is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. And putting the limit of upper limit and lower limit, we getting answer as a formation pi by 4. Because sine 2 pi is 0. Next example 0 to pi, 0 to a, 1 plus cos theta r dr d theta. Okay, so we are taking r dr d theta. Now what is the next integration? It is r square by 2 and your lower limit is 0. Upper limit is a 1 plus cos theta. Putting the limit, we get a square 1 plus cos theta whole square by 2. Okay, now a square by 2 is a constant. So we are getting common. 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta whole square d theta. Now integrate this thing. We getting 2 cos square theta by 2 whole square as a formation of trigonometry. Solve this integration. We get 2a square cos raised to 4 theta by 2. So answer is 2a square 0 to pi cos square 4 theta by 2. Now we are taking theta by 2 as a t because we don't integrate the power of the functions. So theta equal to 2t and d theta equal to 2 dt. We are converting cos square 4 theta by 2 in normal formations. So we get 2a square 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4t 2 dt. 4a square 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 t dt. So 4a square 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. It is a formation of reduction form. So we get 3 pi a square by 4. Now next example to evaluate 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1 minus sine theta r square cos theta dr d theta. Taking integration 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 1 minus cos theta r square cos theta dr d theta. What is the integration of r square cos theta dr? Cos theta is constant. So integration of r square is r cube by 3. Putting the upper limit minus lower limit, we get cos theta 1 minus sine theta raised to 3 d theta. Okay, now we are multiplying minus cos theta 1 minus sine theta raised to 3. It is 1 minus sine theta raised to 4 because it is your function f of x and it is f dash x. Integration of f of x f raised to n into f dash x, we getting f raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so here we take 1 minus sin theta raised to 4 by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2. Put the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1 by 12. Some examples here, putting the list of the examples for the do yourself, and tell me any query about this type of the examples. Okay, thank you.